Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control a Lamborghini Huracan. Launch control is a fantastic feature designed to give you the absolute best acceleration from a standing start. It precisely manages engine power and wheel spin, ensuring your Huracan rockets forward with incredible force. This system is key to experiencing the full, exhilarating potential of your supercar, allowing it to hit 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Let's dive into the simple steps to activate it. Before engaging launch control, make sure your Huracan's engine is fully warmed up. Next, you'll want to select the Corsa driving mode using the Anima selector on your steering wheel. This mode prepares the car for maximum performance. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal all the way down. This is a crucial step to ensure the system can properly engage and manage the launch. Now, with your left foot still firmly on the brake, use your right foot to fully depress the accelerator pedal. You'll notice the engine revolutions per minute will climb and then stabilize at an optimal level, typically around 5,000 revolutions per minute. Simultaneously, a clear launch control message or indicator will illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the system is armed and ready. This is the moment of truth before unleashing the power. With the system engaged, the final step is simple: quickly and completely release the brake pedal. Your Huracan will then launch forward with incredible force, managing traction and power for maximum acceleration. Keep a firm grip on the steering wheel and look straight ahead. Remember, always perform this maneuver in a safe, controlled environment, such as a closed track, and be mindful of your surroundings. Enjoy the thrill responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.